very excited to have BBVA Garanti here, and I want to first ask you guys both introduce yourselves and tell me a little bit about your role.
Hello everyone, my name is Sinem Avcı Kurtkaya. I am a senior expert network engineer in wide array team in Garanti BBVA. Garanti BBVA is one of the largest private bank in Turkey. We operate around 800 branches and more than 4,000 off-site ATMs across the country. Managing a network with large company is with legacy technologies is extremely challenging. Also in our banking sector, we cannot compromise on availability, accessibility or performance. That's why we improve our network infrastructure continuously by deploying Cisco SD-WAN across our ATMs and branches. We built a network that's more manageable, more scale and more lower in latency.
Interesting, wow. Yes.
Hello, this is Sinan. I'm the manager of data center and workplace network technologies in Garanti BBVA. In Garanti BBVA, we have two separate data centers separated in different geographical locations, and we are working that in an active-active model. In our data centers, we have over 500 Nexus data center switches, and by taking into account the ATM and branch switches, we are managing over 8,000 switches in our environment. So managing this big of an network infrastructure, especially if you are zero tolerance to downtime, it's a big challenge for us. But with Cisco's software-defined networking solutions like SD-WAN and ACI, it really helps us to manage these environments. They allow us to manage this environment centrally, reduce the risk of human error, and simplifying troubleshooting.
Oh my goodness, so tell me more. So how have you integrated Cisco's networking and security solutions across your 800 branches and over 4,000 ATMs in Turkey? How have you done that?
Yes, our target was to create end-to-end and standardized deployment model based on Cisco SD-WAN. First, we divided this transformation into multiple phases. Then each of phase we developed automation scenarios. Manual migration for 4,000 devices was not realistic, so we focus on automation, zero-touch provisioning, and reducing field dependency and operational errors. Also, protecting customer experience is one of our top priorities. To prevent customers from being affected by network level issue, we use key SD-WAN. For example, with packet application, we eliminate link dependency for our critical banking application. On the same time, application-aware routing allows us to use multiple links on active-active states, and we leverage vAnalytics to monitor our application usage. With this, we can do proactive capacity planning and deliver a better service to our customers.
Oh wow, that's fascinating. So I'll ask you, how do you manage and secure operations across your two data centers using Cisco technologies?
Yeah, we have two separate data centers, and we are using Cisco ACI under the infrastructure of this data centers. We are using them in active-active manner, and we are using autonomous ACI clusters, and we are managing them with automation. So we are managing them centrally to keep them synchronized and in consistent manner with Nexus as code approach, with automating our configurations. Also, visibility and operational control is also very important for us. So we are using Nexus dashboard insight for monitoring, troubleshooting, and capacity management. We started using the AI analytics also to be able to solve the problems more easily and make the troubleshooting more smooth for us. So overall, this enables us to operate our data center in a centralized, automated, secure, and also scalable way.
Oh wow, fascinating. So automation and analytics. So I'll ask a question. So how does your dual fabric SD-WAN architecture deliver geographic redundancy and resiliency to meet your business and create those trust amongst your customers?
We operate 2 data centers located in different geographic regions. Both data centers run in an active-active architecture, and thanks to Cisco SD-WAN, geographic redundancy is no longer passive. It's actively utilized right now. Our main purpose is provide to a resilient, seamless and always available network infrastructure for customers. This directly improves customer trust, which is the most important thing in our banking industry.
Absolutely. So one last question. What operational efficiencies and cost savings have you guys achieved by consolidating network management and security with our Cisco solutions?
Yeah, with this many number of routers and switches in a large spread across a large geography like Turkey is a big challenge. So we are using Cisco's centralized management and automation, so we achieved significant efficiency gains with this. With SD-WAN, we achieved field teams more. We are using our field teams more effectively. We are utilizing our data link layers more efficiently, and we are simplifying our processes. This not just only affects our cost saving, but also the quality of service we provide to our customers as a prestigious bank. Also, we have thousands of switches, and we are managing these switches with Cisco Catalyst Center, with Zero Trust provisioning, with minimal field intervention. And also, finally, we started using Nexus S Code in our ACI infrastructures to be able to manage their configurations automatically and centrally. So as a result, Cisco solutions help us to achieve scalability, operational efficiency, and cost optimization.
That's effective, and that's pretty amazing. So by using SD-WAN and the ACI fabric, you have had to scale how many switches?
More than 8,000 switches.
And more than 4,000 ATMs.
Yeah.
So this is a large, and you have delivered security and trust with your customers and within your network.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
fabulous. That's amazing. What a great success story for SD-WAN and for your company. I'm so glad to have had the opportunity to talk to you guys.
Yeah, thank you for
Thank you
opportunity.
very much.
Hope we have a great rest of our Cisco Live.